Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's sad, isn't it? It's the end of a chapter, I would call it. I'm not gonna call it the end of the story. I'm gonna call it the end of the chapter, because this is the end of the chapter for Rusty Beauties 2021. But another chapter starts now. So this here is sad because this is where a lot of fun happened, and now it is in this state. So it is the day before Christmas 2021, and I just finished loading the trailer. This is the second trailer that I'm loading. Yesterday I moved one. As you can see, I'm not filling it all the way to the brim because it's heavy and I'm alone. But yeah, this is the second one, and we still have a lot more. These are all the parts for my GT6, so I left them for the end. I still have where to sit and relax. This toolbox, I don't know how I'm gonna load. That's why I left the crane here, because maybe I'm gonna use the crane to load the toolbox. And there's some more stuff up there on the loft, and one compressor. I moved the other one. So I have a friend who eventually is gonna come and help me for the heavy stuff at the end, but I need to move everything else. Anyway, since I'm not uploading another video before Christmas, I guess I decided to make a video that is gonna be like kind of end of the chapter 2021 Rusty Beauties. And also I wanted to take the opportunity to wish you happy Christmas and season's greetings, and I wanted to thank you one more time for being with me for all these years, and I hope that we're gonna carry on in the next chapter of the Rusty Beauties with our small community that we created, because it is a cause that we want to put as many Rusty Beauties back on the road as possible. So I want to thank you all for becoming Patreons, or for sending me money through PayPal or even e-transfer, and not only financial support but also other types of support that you guys suggested, because there are lots of good things happening to the Rusty Beauties in the next year. So thank you so much, guys. Merry Christmas and happy holidays and season's greetings. See you in the next chapter.